Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm going to dive into the breathtaking Pagani Utopia, which is an engineering marvel. Welcome to the future of hypercars, which was unveiled in September 2022. The Utopia is the latest creation from the Italian maestro Horacio Pagani, as it captures the essence of power and simplicity, showcasing a design that is both timeless and cutting edge. And the Hot Wheel has captured the essence of this diecast in miniature form. How cool is that? But before we get into the detail, let's start with the unboxing. This Utopia model features the intricate details like striking headlights, trim, and the signature of Horacio Pagani. I think it looks pretty great, and they have done a fantastic job so far in creating the miniature form Utopia. If it were a part of the car culture series, it would get even more detail. That's my thoughts. But for the mainline version, it's just a bit simple if you ask me. If I have to talk about the body color, I think it looks something like grayish. I'm not entirely sure, but it's sort of like grayish whitish color. You decide. Looking at the diecast, it looks pretty great. So yes, if have to talk about closer look if we do, it has a hidden detail interior. So what do you think of this Pagani Utopia? Leave a comment below. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments what other Hot Wheels diecast car you would like to see reviewed. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy colorful.